Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM presents.
दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम किसी भी रेडियो स्टेशन में ऐसा एक चैट हो रहा है जहां पर आप फेसबुक के जरिए हमारे मिर्ची के फेसबुक पेज के जरिए लिसनर से बात कर रहे हैं. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस होल कॉन्सेप्ट? कैसा महसूस हो रहा है इस वक्त स्टूडियो में बैठ के यू टॉकिंग टू द होल ऑफ इंडिया?
I think it's great.
I think it's fabulous.
Because today the medium, as in the net, I think it's helping us reach to so many of our fans directly. And it would not have been possible before. And I think it's a great medium, and I think more and more mediums like that should start. It should actually, I should say that thanks to the medium, that we are being able to interact with the fans directly. They are being able to ask us questions directly, because as fans they have a lot of questions in their heads that they want to ask actors, and they didn't have a medium before, So it's, I think it's great.
And I think thanks to Radio Mirchi, because I'm not on Facebook. I don't think Rani is on Facebook either.
Why? You should get onto Facebook. Next
No,
talk.
but y'all are doing it for us, so we're more than happy to be doing this.
Excellent, excellent. So we move on to the next question from Poonam Bhardwaj. Okay, this is a very interesting one. It says, after doing this movie, आप दोनों को कभी ऐसा लगा कि जो लड़कियां मेट्रो सिटीज में अकेली रहती हैं, are they really safe? Quite a question actually.
I think जो आपकी संगत होती है, that makes a lot of difference. If you're moving around with a group who you have complete trust in, who you have complete faith in, then anywhere in the world you'll feel safe. If you're going to get into areas which are kind of questionable, I think every city in the world has those questionable places where at a certain time one shouldn't move around. And if you're expecting to move around those places by yourself, and you feel that nothing's going to happen, we are being too optimistic about it.
Right.
But I think as individuals, especially girls, I think we have a greater responsibility towards ourselves, and we shouldn't give anybody a chance to kind of take like advantage of a situation that we might not. Or the other option is to learn, karate.
Carrying mirchi powder, carrying safety pins, all these things are very, very handy.
What about weapons?
No, I think weapons are like,
a bit too much. I
taking
think
it a bit
it's
far.
to the extent of that if anybody is troubling you, you should give a counter reaction immediately back. Like I'm saying that forget nights in metro cities. I'm saying even in the daytime, there are so many women who travel by train, congested trains or congested buses, and people do take advantage. So even at that point of time, one should be ready to give the answer back. There is no point getting scared. You have to immediately react to it. And I'm sure that if you react to it immediately when there's a crowd, people will be with you.